A very hearty good morning to all my dear students. I hope you all are fine. And this is your English teacher, Mrs. Asta Gul. And today we are going to start with the new chapter from your grammar portion, children. And this is articles. Children, this is the fifth chapter from your grammar book. And this is the first video of the chapter number 5. Okay, so we'll continue. Children, I want to ask you all whether you know about articles or not. We have done it earlier also. The three articles, a, an and the. Okay, so let's continue. Let's do it, children. Children, what do you know about articles? What is an article? An article is a word that defines a noun as specific or non-specific. If it's important, if I'm talking about a girl. So first I will say, I saw a girl near the tree. Full stop. And if I will continue about that girl only, I will say, the girl was wearing a pink frock. Why, children, first and then I used the? Because in the beginning I'm talking about a girl. But in the next sentence, continuous, the girl was wearing a pink frock. I said that I'm only talking about the specific girl, the same girl. Okay, so I use the. So the English channel, we have come to the first page, number 35. Children, please open your books. Okay, let's continue. Children, first we will do this exercise, a little revision before the chapter begins. Here is a paragraph, a letter written by Joanna to her grandma. We have to spot the wrong articles and write the correct ones, children. Okay, we are having a lovely time here. We can see the Indian Ocean from our window. Every morning I go for a walk and collect the shells I see on the beach. Yesterday we went for an elephant ride, children. Because it's a vowel, we write always an. It was a lot of fun. Right now I'm sipping a glass, children. G is a consonant, so we will write a of orange juice and eating a slice of watermelon. Later in the day, because we are talking about the same day, children, later in the day we are going to visit an aquarium and the Pico Botanical Garden. I think of you all the time. With love, Joanna. While we talk about articles, children, the first thing which comes into our mind are the vowels and the consonants. What are vowels, children? The 5 letters A, E, I, O and U. These are the 5 vowels, and what we write in front of them? An. And all other letters like B, C, D, M, N, J, K, L and so on, all the rest in the between A to Z, we have a. Okay, with the consonants we write a, and with the special words like the world, the Himalayas and many other, children, the specific and the special names, the Taj Mahal, and think of 5 new words, 5 words before which we write the. Okay, and children, one more thing, the special thing I wanted to tell you, that whenever we are using a vowel, suppose, but we are pronouncing it as a consonant, like the word I searched for you was uniform. Okay, it gives you the sound of Y, uniform. It doesn't give you uniform. A word we pronounce U as a, no? Umbrella, we use a sound when we are, this is phonetics, children. You should always learn about phonetics. Like this you will learn how to pronounce words. So children, when we use a particular word starting with a vowel, but we are pronouncing it as a consonant, we use a in front of it, because the sound of a is coming. Sound of a consonant is coming. So when we are saying a consonant, we always use a. We cannot say an uniform. It's wrong. A uniform. When we say honorable, what we use, children? We use H? No. We use a. Sorry, we use O. Honorable. We don't say honorable, do we? H is silent. So, before honorable, we can write an. We will write an honorable man, not a honorable man, children. Always remember this. And let's continue with the topic. Children, an article is a word that defines a noun as specific or non-specific. Okay? The English language has two types of articles. The definite articles are used to modify non-specific or non-particular nouns. These are a and an. I told you, children, if we are not talking about a particular person, about a particular thing, we can say a box. I'm not talking about the particular box. I can say, please bring me a box. So it's any box. It can be any box. You can bring any box. But if I will say, bring the box to me, I am saying about a particular box. So we have to write the. That is a definite article. So here we will learn about indefinite articles and definite article. What is the definite article? The definite article is used to refer to specific or particular nouns. For example, I ate at the best restaurant in town. So I'm talking about the best. I'm not talking about any restaurant in town, children. I'm talking about a particular restaurant. Okay? Yes, now children, please come to the page number 36, the next page of the articles. The first thing we have here, we use a and an before singular nouns. All of you know, because we use are in front of plural nouns. So we use a and an before singular nouns. The can be used both with singular and plural nouns. Radha planted an orchid in her backyard. Orchid is one plant. I have the same watch you are wearing. I'm talking about one watch. How did you make the cookies you sent me? Cookies, children, cookies, you can see we have put S there, and so it's a plural noun, and that's why we can use the with both singular nouns and plural nouns. Now coming to the next topic. Children, you cannot see these words a little bit very light colored. We use a with words beginning with consonant words. I told you earlier only in the beginning of the video, children. A with consonant words, sounds, and an with words beginning with vowel sounds. So, a university, although a is a vowel, it has the sound of the consonant. A university. I told you, children, if we have a word which is sounding like a consonant, whether it's a vowel, but we will use a in front of it. So an hour. I told you, children, I gave you the example of honor, honorable. So an hour. H is a consonant. Still, children, we are putting an here because we are getting the sound of a. An hour. Okay. Now, children, we are going to the next topic. We also use the when we have already mentioned the noun before. For example, She has got two children, a boy and a girl. The girl's 4 and the boy is 6 years old. Because children, I told you when we have talked about a girl and a boy, and again we are talking about the same girl and the boy, we talk it as a definite noun. Okay, so I'm talking about that girl only and that boy. The same boy and girl, we will use the. The can be used with uncountable nouns. For example, he spilled the soup from his bowl all over the floor. Children, we have to use a and an with the countable nouns, and the can be used with the uncountable nouns also. Now, sometimes the can be omitted, as in this case. He spilled soup all over the floor. Here we don't have to specify which soup. We can write the soup also. We can write soup also, if we are not specifying the soup. So, the last topic, children, we use the article the before the following. Ordinal numbers. Children, I taught you the ordinal and cardinal numbers. So, ordinal numbers, the, second, the, last. Superlative degrees, we have 3 degrees, positive, comparative and superlative. The last degree we write most, the most, children. The worst, the shortest. And we write most also, the most. Name of unique things. I told you the one and only we have the earth, the sun, the sky, the world. Name of nationalities, names of nationalities, races, communities like the Australians, the Sri Lankans, the Indians, the Africans, we can say like this. Name of the countries that have a common noun in their name except the Philippines, the United States, the Netherlands. Name of the mountain ranges and deserts, the Alps, the Thar Desert. Name of the rivers, seas and oceans, the Arctic Ocean, the Brahmaputra. Name of the important buildings, the Qutub Minar, the Taj Mahal, I told you. Names of the newspapers and holy books, the Hindustan Times, the Quran, the Bhagavad Gita we have, children, the Mahabharata. All these will have the in front of it. Okay, we will use the article before all the following. Okay, children. Thank you. We have come to the end of the first video. Thank you all for watching.